Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, do you cultivate aloe vera plant? If you didn't it, please do it because aloe vera is a very important one of plants in our garden. So today in this video I will show you how can we use natural aloe vera gel for our underarms. Take natural aloe vera leaf, cut it onto 4 pieces, then peel off in the top part on leaf. Now put cutting like this. Now it's ready. Take a pinch of wild turmeric powder and add into the bottom of the one aloe vera slice. Take a pinch of the red sandalwood powder and add it. Take a pinch of the sandalwood powder and add it like this. This is very easy to do anyone who have natural aloe vera plant in home. Let's see how to do. Take aloe vera gel slice and rub it on your underarms like this. Rub it 2 to 3 minutes. Aloe vera contains antibacterial properties which help soothe and lighten your armpits. After rubbing, take your razor and remove armpit hair. Aloe vera is the best option to remove underarm hair. It's a good natural gel. It will help to protect your rashes and itching. So if you have natural aloe vera plant, don't waste your money to other shaving items. Take aloe vera slice with wild turmeric powder and rub it on your underarms. Aloe vera and wild turmeric powder is a good combine to remove dirt and bacteria on your armpits. Rub it 3 to 4 minutes, then wait for 2 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. Take aloe vera slice with the red sandalwood powder, then rub it on your underarms. If you follow this remedy, your armpits will be soft, dirt-free and nourish it regularly. This is the one of the best natural ingredients to whiten skin. It also helps to prevent rashes. It has cooling properties. Rub this 2 minutes and wait for another 2 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. Now take aloe vera slice with the sandalwood powder and rub it on your underarms. Sandalwood helps to nourish the underarms, improve the elasticity of skin cells and even out skin tone. This will help to lighten your underarms and will leave you with fresh and fragrant underarms. Rub 2 to 3 minutes and wait for 2 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. Wow, my armpit is so soft and it's so cool. Actually, I think these steps are really helpful to all of you. If you have natural aloe vera plant, don't forget to try this. Your underarms will be free with rashes, itching, darkness and bad smell. Hope you like this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye bye.